Hey guys, just wanted to give a quick review of this product called Nillkin. It's a dual charger where you can charge wirelessly your smartphones or anything that is compatible with wireless charging. I bought this from Amazon. It's a pretty good product. It's called the Nillkin Dual Wireless Charger, 10 volt fast charging, dual coil, QI qualified wireless charger, 2-in-1. So basically this doesn't have a stand, lays down flat on the table, and it has two positions where you can place your iPhones or Samsung. So I tested it with both my Samsung and iPhone and it works perfectly fine. So just wanted to give a quick overview of that, and I'm pretty much impressed about the quality and the design of this. It has this nice texture on top of it, and it's definitely not rubbery, so the phone can slide around, so that's something you have to be cautious, but it does charge wirelessly, and it comes with this charging pad and the adapter. It's pretty good compared to other items that I have seen on Amazon, especially for dual charging. The price is reasonable. You can check out in Amazon.
Thanks for watching, and you can find me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as Tellyrider, TLYRIDER. See you in the next one. Take care.